We are making fettuccine Alfredo, you guys. When I moved to America, believe it or not, this was one of the first dishes I had. So it has a special place in my heart. Simple ingredients. I finally figured out what makes a very, very superior Alfredo that's better than, I think the secret is right here, a lot of garlic. So I'm boiling our water. We got a bag of fettuccine, and let's grab about half pound of the fettuccine pasta. All right, our water is boiling. Here goes our fettuccine pasta. Make sure the noodles are also separated. So while the pasta is cooking for the next 10 minutes or so, we're gonna make our Alfredo sauce, which is very simple. I'm gonna turn on our saucepan over medium-high heat. First thing we gotta do is melt our butter. I'm using like 6 of them, garlic cloves. Lower our heat to low. You're looking for this simmer, okay? You're not gonna toast the garlic. And we are going to add in about 2 cups of Parmesan, and this is a block, so this is gonna generate a lot of Parmesan. And I'm also going to add in our different types of cheese. So in here, I have already grated Asiago and mozzarella. And now, while the cheese is melting, I'm going to add in our heavy whipping cream. So this is about a cup. Oh. So the cheese is going to start to emulsify with melted butter. And as our cream starts to thicken, oh, it'll help the cheese melt so beautifully. Ooh, come on, cheese. So basically, once all the cheese is melted, that means we have our perfect Alfredo sauce, you guys. So once the pasta's done, I'm just going to add right into our sauce and mix very nicely. So you want this like, not a fondue, but right before fondue texture. You want sauce. So right out of the gate, I'm just going to add in our pasta into our sauce. Oh yes. Lower our heat to low. So the starch from the fresh pasta that just came out of the boiling water is going to really help thicken the sauce. You see this? Oh my gosh. We always see little specks of pepper in our Alfredo sauce, right? So can't forget that. So add about a generous amount of cracked pepper. So lastly, just a little extra cheese, of course, and then fresh parsley. So make this because your guests are gonna love you and then they're gonna hate you later. But this is it. I hope you enjoy watching this because this is definitely, look at that, better than Olive Garden Alfredo. If we're not connected on Instagram, I'm at Yuna Cooks, and on YouTube, every Tuesday, I upload something fun like this at 9 a.m. So let's become friends, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.